Hello my dear friends, today we know about the profit and loss, and we also know about the profit percent and loss percent. So you see here how to know about the profit and how to know about the loss, and what is loss and profit and what is the main matter in chapter loss and profit. So first of all you know about this in this chapter profit and loss. There is given cost price or second matter given selling price. Here is given cost price is 500 rupees and here is given selling price is 800 rupees or dollar. Next, here is 800. As you know about rupees, dollar, something. So, then here is profit or loss. Tell me about if you know. Here is profit or loss. You see again, when selling price or SP is greater than CP, then be profit. Next, when cost price as CP then greater than SP, then we loss. It's clear, profit and loss. And how and what is here profit or loss? See here this term, selling price is bigger than cost price. So now profit is equal to SP as the selling price minus cost price. CP is equal to what is selling price given 800 and cost price given 500. Then profit is equal to 500 minus 800 minus 500, 300 rupees. It's clear. This is profit. And when the CP is large or big or selling price is small. Let's second question. CP or cost price is equal to 900 rupees or dollar, and selling price is equal to 500 rupees or dollar. Here is cost price and selling price. The bigger is cost price and smaller is selling price. Then be loss. Loss is equal to selling price as SP minus cost price as CP. What is selling price? Sorry, cost CP minus SP. What is CP? Cost price. Here is 900 or minus selling price 500. There is 400. ये हो गया loss. This is loss as rupees or dollar all. So you know about profit and loss, and now you need to know about the profit percent and loss percent. About this question, you know about P percent, profit percent, or gain percent, also called gain percent. Both are same. P percent is equal to P into 100 by CP. Here is profit. Profit is 500. Now you learn 500 into 100, what is here is mistake, here is 300. 300 into 100 by CP 500. Now 300 and 100 by 500, 0000 cut, 520 जा 60% ये प्रॉफिट. Here is 60% profit. Now here is next question, loss. Loss percent is equal to loss into 100 by cost price LCP. Now here is loss is 400. 400 into 100 by CP 900. 0000 cut, then 400 by 9, this is not divisible, so this percent, loss percent is equal to 444 by 9. Percent. It is clear. So you know about the loss and you know about the profit and you know about the loss percent and you know about the profit percent, and also now you know about the cost price and know about the selling price. How to find cost price and how to find selling price. So it is simple. Given cost price is equal to 900 rupees or dollar, as you know, and selling price is equal to what? Profit is equal to 300 rupees or dollar. Now SP is equal to cost price plus profit, then 900 plus 300 is equal to 1200 rupees or dollar. This is the profit. Then we know about the cost price. Find you cost price. When given selling price SP is equal to 500 and profit is equal to given 200 rupees or dollar, then find the CP. CP is equal to SP selling price minus profit. Here is selling price 500 or minus 200, 300 rupees or dollar cost price. It's clear how to know about selling price and how to know about cost price, how to know about loss and how to know about profit, how to know about loss percent and how to know about profit percent. It is clear. So thank you.